Right now, around the world, animals are suffering. Right now, unloved pets are being dumped in the street like unwanted rubbish. Right now, abandoned puppies are desperate for food and warmth. Right now, helpless strays are being poisoned or shot. Often maimed, they crawl away to die in agony. Right now, if you care, you can help them. Will you? WSPA, the World Society for the Protection of Animals, works to stop cruelty to animals. But we can't stop animal suffering unless people like you join us. Right now, you can help stop the suffering of unloved and abandoned dogs. Please don't just look away. Please give £3 a month now. Call 0800 009 3434 and help animals in crisis across the world.